So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. And there's your model and serial number. Warranty information is in this little packet right here. You can fill it out and send it to Bradford White. Or you can go to bradfordwhite.com and go ahead and enter in the model, serial number, name, street address, all that, and get your warranty going on the product. So to start with, this one had an existing circulation pump installed. Right now it's plugged in, and I turned it on and I don't feel the pump working. So we'll get with the homeowner. On that and see what's going on with the pump. Down at the bottom, as per proposal and contract, flexible stainless steel supply for the gas line, 24-inch, half-inch OD over to the controller. And then down at the bottom, we spent a lot of time on this, a little too much time, but it's all brass now. We showed the homeowner what came out of there. It was galvanized piping and a hose bib, and there was a lot of scale. It was all half-inch, and it was in pretty bad shape. So now you got full brass coming out of the tank, brass T, brass 90, brass shutoff valve to isolate it. That way, if you want to isolate the pump, you can shut that valve off and shut that valve off, and then take this pump out and work on it. But so anyways, that's ours. We've put everything in, copper adapter here underneath where it screws in, and then of course up to a 90, and then a reducer, and then a half-inch 90, and then from this 90 over, all that is existing. So none of that's our work. Lower third, we got the adjustable strap. Upper third, we've got the adjustable strap. And then up top, we did go ahead and shut the house water down and take off the old gate valve that was soldered on. And both sides, hot and cold, we soldered on a male adapter for threaded pipe. So hot and cold both sides. And then put a Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valve. Quarter turn off, quarter turn on. And then Falcon stainless steel connector on the right. It's a 3/4 by 18. It's a full 0.725 inside diameter, which is as close to 3/4 you'll get. These are the extra flexible supply lines. It's all we use now, Falcon stainless steel. Having real good luck with these. And they're the biggest in the market. They're the largest diameter supply line for a 3/4 supply line. So I like that for the water heater. And then over here, hot side, same thing. It's a 3/4 by 15 inch Falcon stainless steel supply. And then the relief valve that comes with the water heater. Just put a little nipple in there. And then that doesn't matter what this is. There's no water in it ever. This is the temperature and pressure relief valve. You're supposed to activate it once a year just to make sure it's working correctly. Most people don't, but just to make sure that spring is working. It's spring loaded, so it snaps back in place. 150 psi, it goes off. Or when it gets to, I can't remember what the temperature is, it reaches a certain temperature, it will activate on its own to relieve that pressure. So this is not a water line, it's a drain line, and that's why we put the iron pipe in there. Everything else is brass. Brass nipples, or brass couplings that go on the little nipples that are on the top of the tank, and then brass nipples. So both sides, hot and cold, all solid brass construction. And then we did replace the vent. The old one, I don't know, sort of fit back in there, but not really. And so we went ahead and just adjustable 90, and then about 27-inch piece of pipe. So it's all brand new up to your ceiling bucket. Don't touch it when it's hot. It's all brand new up to the ceiling bucket, which is kind of, the pipe's kind of stood in there funny, but I'm just going to leave that alone. Hopefully nothing's leaking. The existing piping had corrosion, or like rust around all these fittings and the pipe, like the flashing on the roof had been leaking down. So hopefully that's not the case, but it is brand new. Hopefully nothing rolls down this, and this flashing is sealed on the roof. That's not in our scope of the work. So that's all theirs. All that up there is a little, that's actually a storm collar upside down on the pipe. And then the pipe sticking through is the dual wall B vent, which goes up to the roof. That's not ours. Anyway, so everything's tied in up here. Brought up the copper line up here so we could reach this stainless steel supply. Another Falcon stainless steel connector, 3/4 by 18. And so it's running. We're going to go ahead and get some water going in the house and then see what's happening with this pump. Outside of this, the installation is done.